This is the tutorial for the My Trading app, Important Information. This important information is displayed directly on your TradeStation chart. In this example, we're looking at the S&P 500 futures contract. That's ESU17. The U stands for the September contract, and the 17 is of the year 2017. Now, as a futures trader, it's very important to know when the contract expires, and that's displayed right here, where it says expiration 9/15/17, 10 days from now. The 10 days is displayed in parentheses. So you always know when that contract will expire. Now, if we were to change this to the next upcoming contract, the back month contract, that would be ESZ, the December contract, 17. We hit enter, and now that gives us the Z contract, or the December contract. Now you'll notice the expiration date has now changed. It's 12/15/17, or December 15th, 2017. That's 101 days from now. So when we're getting ready to roll our contracts over, we would roll over to the Z contract. Now you can apply this to really any market that you'd like. Let's say GCZ17, that's the gold December contract. And you notice here the expiration on this particular one is on December 27th. And that's 113 days from now. Now you'll also notice that this particular contract displays what's called the first notice day. The first notice date. Now this is very important for all futures traders to know. This is the date where you intend to notify the broker of intention for physical delivery. Meaning, if you hold your contract on or after this particular date, you are notifying the brokerage firm that you intend to take delivery of that particular commodity, in this case gold. Now if you don't particularly want to have physical ownership of the commodity that you're trading, then we certainly don't want to hold a position on or after that day. So this first notice day is very important for all futures traders. And in this case, the first notice day is on November 30th. Even though the contract doesn't expire until the 27th of December, we would want to get out of this position before November 30th, which is 86 days from now. And of course, we can do this again with any contract. Let's say, for example, CLV17. This is the crude oil contract, and you can notice it also displays the first notice date here and the expiration right here. Now in this example, the expiration is 15 days from now, and the first notice is 17 days from now. So again, both of these dates are very important for futures traders. So let's just continue on with our crude oil example as we go through the different display information that is shown here. Alright, the next one here is the interval countdown. Now the interval countdown, this will show how much time is left until this candle closes and we start a new candle. So right now I've just paused it at 1 minute and 50 seconds. But watch what happens when I unpause this. You can see it's at 123, 122, 121. So there's 1 minute 19 seconds left in this particular 2-minute bar, or in this case candle. So this shows us when this candle will close and be completed and a new candle will start to form. Next up, we have the session close. Now this is at the end of the particular trading session, which is just over 27 minutes from now, is when the oil market will close. You can use this with any market that you're trading. It will pull the data from TradeStation and it will display how much time is left before the market closes. Next up, we have the tick value and tick amount. In this case, for crude oil, the tick value is $10 per tick and the tick amount is 1 penny. So for example, if price goes up 1 penny, this would mean a $10 increase in value. If it goes down 1 penny, that would be a $10 decrease. And then we have the contract months that are shown. Now this is an energy product, so it trades all months. If we were to switch this over into really any other product, let's go back to that ESU17 example. you'll see the contract months are quite a bit different. H, M, U, and Z. That's because it doesn't trade every single month. It only trades 4 contracts throughout the year. So H is March, M is June, U is September, Z is December. So by having this information displayed on our chart, we'll never be caught off guard as to when to roll our contracts over, the tick values, the tick amounts, all that type of information displayed conveniently right here for us. Now there's another interesting piece of information that you would want to be aware of is that what if you don't want to have this information docked on the right side? What if you want it on the left? Not a problem. What you do is go to Format, Analysis Techniques, make sure that the App.com important chart information is selected and click on Format. From here, we simply select either true or false of the information we want displayed. So if you do want to display the first notice date, you would select true. If you want to display the last notice day or the expiration, then make sure you click true or type in true for that as well. And then the same for the time interval, the session close. If you don't want, say, the session close information, or you don't want to display the time interval information, no problem, just type in false and it will not display on your chart. And then of course the tick amount and tick value, display contract months, but here you can change the text color. Now I have it set to white right now, white text on a kind of a charcoal background, but you can type in red, blue, black, whatever color that you want. You can also change the text size. So let's do that. Let's make it a little smaller. Let's go to 14 for the text size. And then instead of 2, which is docked on the right, I'm going to select 1, and that's going to dock it on the left. So I click OK, click Close, and you can see right here the font is smaller, and it's now docked on the left-hand side, right underneath our symbol and description. So you can play around with that. It's your choice. You can customize it to whatever you want, true, false, dock it on the left, dock it on the right. Your choice of what you want to do with that. Just as a reminder, please keep in mind you can use this on your stock positions as well. The information will be displayed there. It just won't show the expiration or tick value, tick amounts like it would in the futures market, but it will still have that display information for you. In fact, it will even work on your Forex charts, even though TradeStation doesn't have a Forex execution part of it on their brokerage firm, but you are able to still see the information displayed on the charts. I hope this app is enjoyable to you and works well for you. I know it's worked very well for us trading futures. So please look for other products on mytradingapp.com. Thank you.